We're here at the inn at the Long Trail. We got a lot of cool old school games. Games of skill and challenge. Alright, I got 500 points. That's pretty good. A thunderstorm's coming in tonight. It's already raining. I love this. You got the all the plants, all the house plants over here. Somebody knows their house plants. Looks like Mysteriums. Maybe. Nah. Okay, anyways. Yeah. The place is pretty nice. Took an unexpected 0 today. And, well, why? Back of my heels are red. Started working on a puzzle just for something to do to pass a little time. Leave it for somebody else to finish. In the spirit of Luke, Phil, Jody. Remember that one? Probably could stay up all night and finish this one. It doesn't look that bad. It's only 500 pieces. A laundry room back there. You gotta check this out too. This is one of those places where they just decided to build it right in with the existing stuff that's over here. So this stone over here it's all real. It was just never removed. They just built around it. Same thing over here. They just added the stone, built around it. I love seeing cool stuff like this. Right there, that looks like one of those things you put in your backyard to like cover up the cable box or something like that, but no, that's pure solid stone, man. Put a couch right on top of the damn thing. You gotta love that.
Yes. YSWISE.
Perfect. It's going to be 109.25.
Okay.
They do like hikers here. They do take care of you here. Hiker box is right over there. It's able to pull out a few things. A couple gauze pads. Might have to make use of those tomorrow. They give you a breakfast with the stay. So right over there in that room. I mean, this place is really cool. All right, so get back to my room over here. 21 and numerology 21 equals ding 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 ding, time's up. And numerology 21 equals 3. All right, anyways, so this is the room. Of course, PBR, private shower, which I just took. Trying to keep the beers cold. No fridge, no microwave, but we don't need that. There's a bus that takes you in and out of a bunch of places around town, which is really cool. They sighted a bear back over here a couple days ago. Got some pictures of him. Somebody at the Killington Lodge was telling me that they allow camping down there at the base of the fields, or at the base of the slopes, I'm sorry. And a bear pounced on the only tent that didn't have anybody in it and ran off with a food bag. I'm like, whoa, okay. Alright, so why am I here? You know, could have easily taken off tonight or today, and I said it was going to rain, but by this time I would have already been in my tent, so I would have been fine. But I'm going to show you. Here's my ankle. Both of them. Like that. Now, see the color? So that means we're only irritated right now. any worse, those could have turned into blisters, and we can't have that. About to come into some of the most intense terrain in the AT, New Hampshire and Maine. And, well, we can't have blisters. So, if this isn't cool by tomorrow, I'm gonna slap some gauze and some Leuko tape on top of that gauze, put my boots on, and I'm gonna keep going. If I can heal a blister like that, I'm pretty sure I can keep the friction off the back of this thing. Okay, so how did this happen? Well, 2 days ago, I noticed that got quite a bit of debris in my boots. And I didn't really think that much of it, but it did kind of feel a little bit like sandpaper, you know? And hours later, I pulled them off, and I said, holy crap, man. You know, I mean, in almost like 2,000 miles on the AT, this hasn't happened yet. Because you got to remember, I already did 730 and 22, all right? And there'll be a video coming up where I start talking about the math, all right? But just to put in parentheses, all right? By the time I reach Katahdin this year, right, I'll have put in 60 more miles than the Appalachian Trail is long on the Appalachian Trail. However, there are parts of the trail that I didn't walk, and there's parts that I walked twice. So, you can say what you want, you know. At that point, I'm going to say I hiked the Appalachian Trail. And I got my reasons for saying that. Now, yeah, probably come back, try and finish it up. Hopefully while I still got trail legs, you know. If not, then it'll have to be next year sometime, and that might prove more difficult. But we'll also be able to plan out better weather, and I just have the metro section between Massachusetts and Maryland, which is not as intense as the other sections of the trail by far. All right, there's much higher elevation and much more difficult climbs on the other sections of the trail. That's not to say that that part of the trail is easy or flat, because it is not. Anyways, well, back to the inn. Because that's what this video is about. And got to dry the sleeping bag in the laundromat. Took the bus into town today, got a few things, and, well, just chilling. Back on trail tomorrow. We got 44 miles to the New Hampshire border. A few things to pick up at the post office, so taking a 0 today was not, well, actually it was a pretty good idea. I wish I could have hiked on, but at a certain point I need my stuff from the post office. New glasses, and of course a bunch of InfoWars products, you know, and vitamins, and, you know, turmeric vasodilators and stuff, you know, that helps me really get down the trail over here. And it looks like I'm probably going to have to take a break every 3 to 4 days, take at least 1 day off, and just eat. Good news is I am eating, you know. I should be able to put down a half-pound burger and a side of fries when I am hungry, when I haven't eaten, you know. Especially if it was the only meal a day, you know. We're getting to that point, but it's been really hard because I wasn't eating when I hit the trail very well. When I hit the trail in 22, I was not eating at all, you know. It was like a can of fruit cocktail a day, you know, like a bowl of miso soup and a tuna packet, you know. And then, I mean, well, how do I put the calories on? With beer, you know. This was not good. Coming out here, though, helped correct that problem. So that's one of the reasons why I'm out here. Hiker hunger. It is real. It is a thing. And it's working to my advantage. If only I could keep fat on. Alright. Talk to you guys soon.